Hi, this is John Pierce with Single Track Analytics with the BPCI 360 analytics team. And what I'd like to show you today is how to expose the claim HIC number, which is the Medicare Beneficiary ID, in the BPCI 360 model so that you can use it to tie back to your electronic health record or some other reference that uses the Medicare Beneficiary identifier. The Medicare beneficiary identifier is in the underlying data model that I'll show you in a minute, but by default it's hidden, and it's hidden because any report that you create with it automatically becomes protected health information, and we didn't want you creating those reports by accident. So we hide them initially by default from the pivot table fields, and you have to go through the process that I'm about to explain to you to make them visible in the pivot tables. And once you've done that, you can move them into, for example, the episode ID field for the episode composition graph or some other report, and create a table from them. So we're in Excel 2013. We're on the Power Pivot window, our Power Pivot menu item here, and we're going to click the Manage button, and that opens up the underlying data model that contains all of the data for the for all of the screens and models on the in the Excel tables. And what we're looking for is the episodes table, which is right down here. This contains all the data relating to episodes. And within that table, we're looking for a field called the claim HIC number, CLM underscore HIC underscore NO. And you can navigate to any column in the table just by clicking this pull down and sliding up and down to find the field that you would like. Now this is real data, so we can't show you the real claim HIC number. So I created a field called claim HIC number fake, which I highlighted here, and you can see that this column is gray. And what that means is this field is hidden from what Microsoft refers to as the client tools, which means the pivot table fields. And what you need to do is unhide the thing. So I'm clicking on this the header of the table right here, right-clicking, and I'm going to click Unhide from Client Tools. And what you'll see is a couple of things. Number one, the column has now turned green, and that means that this field will now be visible in the pivot table fields. When you click back to the regular data model, which I'm not going to do right now because it's going to start to calculate, you'll then see after a few moments, because it goes through and calculates the entire data model whenever you change anything in the back end of the model. So it's going to take several minutes to do this calculation, probably even 5 or 10 minutes. And when it's done, if you look at the pivot tables under the episodes table, you'll see the claim HIC number, and then you can use that field in any of the other reports. We hope this is helpful to you, and we're always looking for feedback from any of our clients to help improve the models and the work that we do with them. Thank you.